Good morning doston, welcome to my channel Drive and Travel to Explore. In today's vlog, I will take you through the events captured by Dashcam where you would see some near misses, some fatal accidents, some events that has been captured. Friends, in the first event you find that in the right lane, many of the vehicles are waiting to take a right turn, and suddenly you could see that one of the two-wheelers swearing into the left lane from nowhere. Luckily, the dash cam captured the event, and you could see that the ladies who have been riding the two-wheeler have no sign that they have made a mistake of just taking a turn from the blind spot. Friends, do comment if you have faced similar situation or a near miss and how you have dealt with that. So you please comment if you have been riding the two-wheeler, how you would have dealt with this blind spot. Friends, my second video is a video where we need to cross through this narrow road, which is the ECR link road, which connects OMR and the ECR. So my first experience, I tried my best to put my wheels between this small slot, but I failed for the first time, and literally when I took a reverse, I had hit a bicycle. So please do let me know, how did you all face similar issues in passing through this link road and narrow road, and if so, did you had any problem going through this lane? Please do comment. In this third video, you could see within the blink of an eye you find a cow in front of you and you are unable to do anything as there was a speeding car behind you. So there was no option than to ram and collide with the cow, but luckily there was no damage to the car, or the cow was not that badly hurt and it was all okay. Do share your experience if you had faced a similar situation where you had a cow in front of you and the speeding car behind you, and how you have dealt with that situation. In this video, you find suddenly a two-wheeler come and crash in front of me, skid in front of me, and it was found out that he skidded and fell down, and it was not because of my vehicle hitting him. So finally, because I applied a brake on time, the two-wheeler as a gesture he thanked me. Luckily, he was not hurt badly and he was all okay. So there is clearly a lesson that never try to overtake a car and then have a turn in the turning, where there is always chances of skidding and falling down and also being hit by the fast moving car. So in this video, you would find that I was driving, taking the right lane to take a right turn, and suddenly you find from nowhere a two-wheeler coming and crossing over in the right lane of mine and getting hit. So do let me know whose mistake is that. Is that the mistake of the driver who has given the indicator and tried to take a turn, or it's the two-wheeler who was just wanted to go straight and he was taking a right lane? Looks like the two-wheeler guy got hurt and all was fine. In this video, my dash cam covered the motor rally which happened on the ECR. It was lovely to watch each and every motorist enjoying their drive. My dash cam captures the air show rehearsal which happened in Chennai, and this was captured in the OMR road. So my dashcam captures a nice view of a peahen and peacock flying while we were driving. It is a nice thing to watch when they fly. Friends, I mistook this as a 2-lane and then I was riding on the left lane, which was not a road at all. And when I saw the auto coming in the opposite direction, I was really confused how I'm going to maneuver my car to the other end. And then I realized when I saw other car taking the right lane, that is the main road, and this was not a road at all. So how many of you got fooled like this, and literally you need to reverse and get back to the right lane? So please do comment. In this video you find that in one of the night when I was driving on the OMR, going closer to that, I saw some of the cow got hit and killed, a cow and a calf. So the OMR and ECR are always full of cattle, which is a risk for both human and as well as the cattle. We could have heard many two-wheeler and the cars have been hit by the cattle and had a fatal accidents. And similarly, if it is a bigger vehicles like lorry and buses, the cattle fall prey for it. Important for us to clear those cattle from the roads. Friends, with this I end my today's vlog. If you have enjoyed my videos, please do click like button and also share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next vlog. Until then, goodbye. Take care.